Go, Levi.
Let's get dressed.
Time to get dressed to go home. He is not happy. Maybe he will change his attitude when he sees the lovely wardrobe in Cuba.
Here, go ahead and get it. Oh, you're gonna love it. It's adorable. Oh, look, it even says adorable right on there.
Adorable.
Oh,
See?
how
He does like it. Look at that. Look at that. He's
Now
like,
that I'm
oh,
not squeezing,
you know what? I
guys.
thought this was going to be terrifying, but this is actually pretty adorable.
Oh, sweetie. Nope, kick your leg out so I can get it snappy. Oh, we gotta get some sockies on you. And, oh, mommy can't snap correctly.
She'll get better.
How you doing, Pumpkin? Here you go. Little Levi. Going home. Little Pumpkin. I have a little hat for you.
Where's the little hat?
Where's the little hat? Can you get me it?
Oh, there it is.
This is also, you're going to love it. It's adorable.
Oh, look at that. Adorable.
Oh, these are just cute. But I think they'll look good together, because I think really cute and adorable should really go together. Go. Here you go, Pumpkin. Oh, you look so adorable.
Here he is.
You're gonna get
His
ready to go
first
home?
outfit.
Oh.